Palag pa rin.
Hi guys! I'm now here in Twin Falls, here in Kalayaan, Laguna. Yesterday I was in Daranak Falls in Tanay and in Ambon-Ambon Falls in Pangil. Today, I just went here in Kalayaan just to see the Twin Falls, the famous Twin Falls. Now how do you go to this spot? You start from Manila, you're going to ride a bus going to Santa Cruz. It's a 2.5-hour ride. Then from Santa Cruz, you're going to ride a jeepney. The jeepney ride is almost 1 hour. Then you're going to alight in Kalayaan. From the highway to St. John Evangelist Parish, you're going to trek for more or less 10 minutes. Then you're going to see the entrance. You're going to pay 40 pesos. Then you're going to trek upwards again. Then you're going to see 4 bodies falls. And this is the last one, the 4th one. It's a little bit difficult, but you can trek going towards this fall. Again, this is the Twin Falls in Kalayaan, Laguna. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun here in Laguna. Bye guys!